The first thing that most people notice in anyone is the face. And on the face, it's the eyes that catch the most attention every time. That's why there is such a market for beauty products that enhance your eyes, ranging from eyeliners, to mascaras, to eyeshadows and concealers. All of these are designed and produced with one goal in mind: to beautify your eyes even more. Eyeliners can alleviate, accentuate, and enhance any eye shape or color. They can even make your eyelashes appear thicker, taking your overall makeup look to new levels. Although black and brown are the most commonly used colors, eyeliners are not one size fits all. Just as whether you prefer liquid eyeliner vs pencil is a personal choice, so is the best eyeliner color for you. If your eyes look that big and beautiful with a regular black eyeliner, just imagine how much better they will look with an eyeliner that complements your natural eye color and skin tone. Eye color is very unique to the individual and may even appear to change color depending on the environment and circumstance. However, the most common colors are tackled below. Nearly 75–79% of the total world population has brown eyes. It's the most common eye color and comes with many variations, like dark brown, light brown, amber, honey brown, russet, chocolate, and nut brown. Brown eyes are versatile and look great with most eye makeup colors. For a natural look with your brown eyes, opt for brown eyeliner. Brown eyeliner will give a soft dimension to your eyes while still making them appear rich and intense. However, if you want a sharp and sleek look, black eyeliner is always an excellent choice. To make your brown eyes appear brighter, go for colored eyeliner in contrasting shades. For instance, think shades of midnight blue and teal, shades of olive and emerald green, shades of vivid purple and soft purple for a regal look, and even gray and charcoal to bring out any gold flecks in your brown peepers. Hazel eye color stems from a mix of greens and browns. Since this eye color is dual tone, different eyeliner shades will bring out different colors in your eyes. You can pair almost anything with hazel eyes, whether it be browns, golds, greens, or purples, much like brown eyes. Green eyeliner or purple eyeliner in shades like rich purple or plum help accentuate the green tones in hazel eyes. On the other hand, brown eyeliner in any shade, including metallic copper or bronze, will accentuate brown and gold flecks in hazel eyes. The shade of your green eyes may reflect things from your makeup, clothes, and even your mood. Green eyes pop best when paired with complementary color eyeliners that offer some contrast. Since green is opposite to red on the color wheel, one complementary color ranges all the different shades of red. This includes maroon, as well as brown hue red shades like burgundy and mahogany. For a soft, everyday look, opt for red-based brown shades to line your eyes, and for a night out, try bold red and maroon. However, be sure to fill the waterline in with black eyeliner before applying the red or maroon. This can help you avoid a sick and tired look. Purple shades like violet and amethyst are also great to pair with green eyes and accentuate an earthy vibe. The key to making blue eyes pop is pairing them with complementary colors in rich and warm shades. Warm, metallic shades like bronze and copper can highlight the golden flecks in blue eyes if applied properly. Similarly, colors with orange undertones help make the color blue appear more vibrant in contrast. These colors include copper, gold, and shades of orange. To make your blue eyes really stand out, try applying any of these complementary colors to the inner corner of your eyes to increase impact. Then line the rest of your lash line with a regular black eyeliner or any of the previously mentioned shades. Depending on the rest of your makeup look and wardrobe, eye color is fascinating, and it's impossible to define every nuance of a particular hue. When choosing the perfect eyeliner for yourself, a general rule of thumb is to consider both your natural eye color and makeup preferences. For day-to-day, solo eye makeup look, the best option is using shades of brown, as they pair well with most eye hues. For more vibrant and intense makeup looks, contrasting colors can be depth. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.